To replace the objects from your photos in Canva, first of all, you will need to have a current Canva Pro subscription. Without this, it won't work. So when you have your subscription ready, select the specific image that you want to change to different object, and then we go to edit, and then we select Magic Studio and move to the right until we find Magic Edit. Select it and then draw on something that you want to replace and type in what you want to change. For example, I'm gonna type in a shoe. Let's generate it and let's see what happens. So as you can see, it replaced the lamp with shoe and it works perfectly fine. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.